Hello, beautiful people all over the world. Welcome back to my house, the Challenger Girl. So, before let's get it started, I just want to say happy New Year to everybody. Hope you enjoy this holiday. Alright, so our video for tonight is another burping. Someone requested a video, burping video. Okay, so I wanna try this kind of Coke, the original taste. Alright, okay, I have here 2 bananas. Okay, so let's try if I'm going to burp. Okay, let's start double banana. With Coke. Alright. They're still stick together, so I need to eat both together. Look how big my mouth is. After New Year, I'm not going to eat banana anymore. Wait, I'm going to drink. I can hear the acid. Oh my god. Okay, there you go. Cheers, beautiful people. Happy New Year. Time here in Denver is 2:10 a.m. New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. This is the way how I celebrate my New Year. Just eat banana and drink Coke and burp. So acidic. Done. Oh my god, I'm full. Oh my gosh. Excuse me? Every time you burp in front of public, you should say excuse me just to respect. Be respectful. I'm so full. Oh my god. I wanna vomit. Excuse me? Excuse me? Oh. Excuse me again. Excuse me again. Happy New Year. Excuse me. Oh my. Usually I'm not fan of drinking soda. I just only drink just because of this challenge. Oh my, I'm full. I'm full. Oh my god. Excuse me again. Too much acid inside my stomach. I guess that's enough. I am full. So that's how I celebrate my New Year. Okay, so we're done. Sorry, I can't finish all this. I'm going to show you my stomach. It's big stomach already. Oh my god. Need exercise. Sober. I'm gonna be keep on burping until 6 a.m. Excuse me. Sorry. Okay, I guess I'm done. I'm done. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I love you all and God bless beautiful people. See you in my next vlog. Goodbye.